Non-fat milk.
Sorry ho. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Walang iyan to. Ano akala mo sa mukha ko? Doormat?
Ano ba ginagawa niyo dyan?
Hindi ba nakikita nagsisunbathing?
Gusto niyo juice?
Meron ba? Niloloko mo ako ah! Pinabutan kita!
Bilisan mo naman!
Bagal-bagal
Ito na.
mo eh.
Nagre-reklamo ka pa. Anong nangyari sa'yo?
Ayun! Ayun! Wow! Ano ba?
Ayos lang!
Tuloy!
Oh! Kiko, sunog!
How long will you be gone?
I don't know.
Can it wait? It's just that we're having a great time here.
I don't want to go, but I'm going to have to leave for now. Can't you see my wife has agreed to sign my divorce papers? I should go fix things before she changes her mind.
Ricky, I'm scared. What if she changes her mind?
Come on. Darling, you should think positively. I know she'll agree to a settlement.
I'll be waiting for you here. Promise me that as soon as you come back, we'll be married and spend our honeymoon here.
Ang babae nga naman.
Nang iinis ka ba?
Napapansin lang. Noong gusto ka ni Kiko, hindi mo siya pinapansin. Ngayong iba ang ginugusto niya.
Pansin ka ng pansin!
Ito, gusto mo ha?
Hero lang.
Huwag mo ako hawakan.
Waiter,
Oh,
bigyan mo ako ng gatas.
anong klaseng gatas?
Non-fat milk.
Non-fat milk.
Sorry ho. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Walang iyan to. Ano akala mo sa mukha ko? Doormat?
Ano ba ginagawa niyo dyan?
Hindi ba nakikita nagsisunbathing?
Gusto niyo juice?
Meron ba?